In today's video, I'm going to be making these 5 smoothies. But before we get started, there's a couple of things that you need to remember, and that is that banana is the key with this. There is a banana in every single one of these recipes, and that's because it is a brilliant natural thickener and sweetener. And after that, if you want to sweeten it anymore, here's a few recommendations that you can sweeten it with. I'm going to be using honey in mine because it is my favourite, but you could also use maple syrup or even golden syrup. This is the least healthy of the 3 options there. And then if you don't like any of them, you can also use brown sugar or white sugar or any other sweetener alternative that you like or that fits in with your diet. The next thing is to choose which liquid you're going to put into them. So for the fruity ones, I'm using orange juice, and I'm also using milk for some of the others. Now for the milk, you can use cow's milk, or I'm using almond milk for mine, but you could also use oat milk or any other milk alternative that suits you. So without further ado, let's crack on with this absolutely delicious banana and honey breakfast smoothie. To begin, peel and break 1 whole banana into a blender. And then add in 30 grams of oats, followed by 60 grams of Greek yogurt, 200 mils of milk, that can be any milk of your choice, and 25 grams of honey. Blend until it's completely smooth, and that's your banana and honey breakfast smoothie complete. Next up, we're making a very simple mango and orange smoothie. Begin by taking 1 ripe mango and dice it up and place it into the blender. And then break in 1 whole banana. Now add in 200 mils of orange juice and blend it until smooth. Now this is a super simple smoothie, only 3 ingredients, and I don't believe you need any extra sweetener in this one because the banana and the mango is sweet enough, but it does depend on the ripeness of the fruit you are using. So if you need to, don't hesitate to add in a little extra honey or sweetener of your choice. Pour it into a glass and your mango and orange smoothie is complete. Next, we'll move on to making this delicious lemon and blueberry smoothie. For this, you need to place 150 grams of frozen blueberries into a blender. You can use fresh blueberries for this, but I prefer using the frozen ones. And then, you guessed it, add in 1 whole banana. Next, place in the juice of 1 lemon and 200 milliliters of almond milk. I've decided to add a little bit of honey into this one. It's roughly around 10 grams, and that's just to counteract the sourness of the lemon and blueberries. And then blend the whole lot until it's completely smooth. Pour it into a glass and your lemon and blueberry smoothie is ready to enjoy. Now we'll move on to making probably the most indulgent smoothie in this video, and it's a chocolate and peanut butter smoothie. For this, place 1 banana into a blender, followed by 10 grams of cocoa powder. Next, add in 70 grams of peanut butter, followed by 200 milliliters of milk of your choice. I'm sweetening this one with roughly 10 to 20 grams of honey, but just do it to your taste, and then blend it until it's smooth. And pour it into a glass, and this one is definitely for the chocolate and peanut butter lovers. You are going to enjoy this one. And for our final smoothie, I'm going to show you my version of a super green smoothie. For this, place 40 grams of baby spinach into a blender, followed by 1 whole banana. Next, add in 130 grams of diced cucumber, 50 grams of Greek yogurt, then add in 6 to 8 mint leaves, and that's just going to add a beautiful freshness to this smoothie. And finally, pour in 130 milliliters of orange juice. Blend it until it's smooth, and your super green smoothie is ready to enjoy. So there's my 5 healthy smoothies to kick off the new year. I hope you enjoy these recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This one.